People often ask me, what's the secret behind our underwater portrait photography and how we get our subjects to look so natural underwater? It might come as a surprise to you that it's not about the biggest camera or size of the pool or post-production. It's about a crucial time you have to invest in preparing your subject before you take your camera. The secret lies in the briefing and the buoyancy control. You cannot create an underwater portrait if your subject is not able to sink easily and embrace water to create portraits. Hi, I'm Stefan Binke and I've photographed over 1,000 people for more than 10 years. From kids, teenagers, families, singles, couples and people just like you. All had a different comfort level, even non-swimmers, and every single time I've turned them from zero posing experience into someone who can adapt to that very unique studio setup. In this course, I'm going to share with you all of my insider secrets we've built over years and never shared before. Now you can get them right here. With this course, you learn how to prepare and coach your subjects to embrace water and able to perform, because you will know how to guide your clients so you can deliver masterpieces for them, starting right now. So please go ahead and enroll now.